Hello friend, today we will learn how to evaluate the different types of limit. In this lecture, we will evaluate the limit of following type. Let's see the type. If the indeterminate form will come 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity and infinity to the power 0. If our function look like this indeterminate form, then we use logarithmic approach. Then we use logarithmic approach. Okay, so let's see with example. Here the example is find limit x tends to 0 1 by x to the power sin x. Here this is the limit. Now the limit x tends to 0 1 by x to the power sin x. If we put x is equal to 0, then 1 by 0 to the power sin 0, 1 by 0 is tending to infinity, sin 0 is 0. This is an indeterminate for infinity to the power 0. So we will approach logarithmic approach. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by x to the power sin x, taking both side log. Here we are taking the log to the base e, taking both side log to the base e. Log L is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin x log 1 by x. Okay, now solve this. Now as we already remember, one limit is limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 1. So here if we divide by x and multiply by x, limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x into x log 1 by x. This term give 1 as we know that this formula. So now we are especially solving only this part. Then this part is evaluated. We are solving this part and this part. The result of this part is evaluated with log L. Okay. So now it becomes limit x tends to 0 x into log 1 by x. Here if we put x is equal to 0 and log infinity 1 upon 0 is infinity, log infinity is infinity. This is again a indeterminate form. So here we try to make it infinity upon infinity format. So just rearrange this function. Limit x tends to 0 log 1 by x upon 1 by x. We can do that right now. Here this numerator become infinity, denominator become infinity. Here it is the another indeterminate form, infinity upon infinity. So we can use L'Hopital's rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Okay. So how to differentiate? Log 1 by x is x, and again differentiation of this is minus 1 by x square. Now again differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This vanish. Now we become limit x tends to 0 x. Now put x is equal to 0. Now this value is evaluated to log L. Log L is equal to 0. It implies that L is equal to e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So the value of this limit is 1. Okay. Now we see the another example. Here we put x is equal to 0, then it becomes 0 to the power 0. It is the indeterminate form of 0 to the power 0 form. So what we have to do? We have to do a logarithmic approach to evaluate such type of limit. So take both sides log L is equal to limit x tends to 0 x log x. Okay, now this is x log x. Now if we put the value of x is equal to 0, 0 log 0 log 0 means infinity. 0 into infinity. Again we reach the indeterminate for 0 into infinity. So we make this format to infinity upon infinity. So limit x tends to 0 log x upon 1 by x. Now this format has become a infinity upon infinity format. If we got a infinity upon infinity format here, if we put x is equal to 0, then log 0 upon 1 upon 0. It means it is tending to infinity upon infinity. Here we reach infinity upon infinity format, so we can use L'Hopital's rule. So we can differentiate numerator separately and denominator separately. Now limit x tends to 0, the differentiation of log x is 1 by x and the differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. After rearranging it 1 by x into x square, it is minus. So our result is limit x tends to 0 minus x. Now we put x is equal to 0. So this is 0. Now this 0 is evaluated to log L. Log L is equal to 0. L is equal to e to the power 0. L is equal to 1. For this particular question, the value of limit is 1. Limit. So we solve this question. First question, limit is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x 1 by x. This is the written answer. Now if we put x is equal to 0, then limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 0, 1 by 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 by 0 is infinity. As we have already discussed that if we reach the indeterminate form like 1 to the power infinity, we use logarithmic approach. So take both sides log L is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by x log 1 plus x. What we are doing here is that we are using the logarithmic property. Log base e x to the power m, then this m is come here. M log e to the m log ex. This I am doing here. So now we put x is equal to 0. So this is log 1 plus 0 upon 0, that is log 1 by 0. The value of log 1 is 0 and 0 upon 0. Here we again reach the format 0 upon 0, so we can use the L'Hopital's rules. That means we can differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Let's proceed. Limit x tends to 0. Here the differentiation of log 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x, and the differentiation of again 1 plus x is 1 upon the differentiation of x is 1. Now we put x equal to 0, it is 1. Now this one is evaluated to log L is equal to 1. It means that L is equal to e to the power 1. So L is equal to e. We have proved that. Okay. Now we solve the next question. This limit L is equal to limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x to the power x. Now if we put x is equal to infinity 1 plus 1 by infinity to the power infinity, 1 by infinity, it means that 0. 1 plus 0, 0 to the power infinity. Again we reach the indeterminate form, which is in the form of 0 to the power infinity. So again we use L'Hopital's. So now here we reach to indeterminate form 0 to the power infinity. So here we use logarithmic approach. So taking both sides log L is equal to limit x tends to infinity x log 1 plus 1 by x. Okay. Now again we put x is equal to infinity log 1 plus 1 by infinity. It means that infinity into log 1. Log 1 means 0. Infinity into 0. Again we reach infinity into 0 format. So we have to convert this in the form of either infinity upon infinity or 0 upon 0 format. So limit x tends to infinity now here we reach the 0 upon 0 format. If we reach 0 upon 0 format, then we have to use L'Hopital's rule. That means we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Now differentiate log 1 plus 1 by x is 1 by 1 plus x, and differentiation of 1 plus 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and here the differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This is vanish, and again we put x is equal to infinity 1 upon 1 plus 1 by infinity is 0, that is 1. So now this one is evaluated to log L. Log L is equal to 1, so L is equal to e to the power 1, so L is equal to e. For this particular question, the value of limit is e. Now we solve next question. Next question is L is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 2x to the power 1 by x. So if we put x is equal to 0, then limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 0 to the power 1 by 0 is equal to 1 to the power infinity. Again, we reach the indeterminate form 1 to the power infinity. So here we use a logarithmic approach. So taking both sides log L is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by x log 1 minus 2x. Okay, now if we put x is equal to 0, we are getting log 0 upon 0. If we put x is equal to 0, we are getting log 1 upon 0. Log 1 is 0. So again, we reach the format 0 upon 0. For this indeterminate type, we are using a L'Hopital's root. It means we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Limit x tends to 0. The differentiation of log 1 minus 2x is 1 by 1 minus 2x. Here it is not a x, it is 1 minus 2x. So again differentiation of 1 minus 2x is, as we know that the differentiation of constant is 0 and minus 2x is minus 2 and differentiation of x is 1. Its value is that minus 2 upon 1 minus 2x. Now we put x equal to 0. Minus 2, 1 minus 2 into 0, it is equal to minus 2. Now this minus 2 is equal to log L. It means that L is equal to e to the power minus 2. For this question, the value of limit is e to the power minus 2. Now we have solved so many questions. So I think you have understand it properly. So thank you.